Hi guys, today class is GST registration, how to do in GST portal website. The government website, how we can register GST for company orientation purpose. How the taxes will be calculated through the GST portal, INQ credentials we are using after uploading the taxes. So, what is the main purpose of GST portal registration is all the taxpayer means if it is regular taxpayer, composition taxpayer, casual taxpayer, or in case of some other taxpayers listed in the GST portal, all person must be registered in proper documentation to the government using GST portal. This is the main advantage regular tax paying company using GST portal. And what are the steps to register? We will see in slide by slide. So next slide is what is required document? Required document we are providing for uploading GST registration process. Basically, we need PAN card, Aadhaar card, photos, address proof, valid mobile number and email ID. Both we have to enter must. Anyone is a not mandatory field. We have to enter both. Bank account number. If it is a savings account, if it is a current account, whatever, we have to mention a bank account number. Finally, the passbook first page we have to upload. Otherwise, cancel the check we have to upload to registration process required document. So this is the basic what are the required document I was mentioned here. In case of any issued appearance in this documentation, we will see next. Example, what is the PAN card is not matched for Aadhaar, how it will be resolved. Again, photos is more than 100 KB, 100 kilobyte above, how to reduce the resolution of photo. After address proof, in case of own house, the address proof name is different of registration person to another name of the property, how it will be entered. And also, if I am in rental house, and what's the process, how the property tax and EB bill, who can provide and who can be signed the witness of consent letter, we will see on next. We have to must given valid mobile number. Valid mobile number is using for same as well as Aadhaar card linked number. So linked KYC number is very useful to upload. Another verification code reference we will send on email ID also. The bank account number we have must enter in process of new registration, or if you are not uploaded in registration process bank account, we will upload within the 45 days of registration process. When we done the between the day of 45 days, we have to must enter bank details. The passbook first page we have to scan and upload from here. The chosen option when it will be shows a new registration page, we have to upload, and cancel the check also we can upload in either one. So we will see next step. What is the website ID? So I want to go in Google Chrome. Example, I'm going Google Chrome search engine. I'm using www.worldwideweb.gst. goods and service tax .gov government.in website number. So I have to enter this website. It will be goes for GST portal through the government website page. So how it will be look like? I want to select service under registration, new registration. This is the process. But I want to know how GST government portal look like appearance. So GST portal look like appearance of pages like this. We should have a credentials every time when you are using monthly filing returns or GST or one uploading file on online or offline. So checking of GST or 2 or 2A, we can see we have to go particular credential, username and password. From here, it can be shows here. So this is the home page of goods and service tax. I am a new user. What is the procedure to go? So we can go services menu after registration. So I was to register new. That's I am choosing new registration. When I was choose new registration, the page will be look like here. The form will be appearance. We have to enter mandatory field. The red star marks is the mandatory field. We have to enter must. After we will choose proceed. There is a two radiation buttons appearing here. I'm using new registration. What is temporary reference number? What does that mean? If you registered this paper, the reference number TRN number will be sends you what the given mail ID or mobile number, it will be sent the TRN number. We have to copy. After next process, we have to choose this option. Now we will clear about what is new registration form. From here, I am A. It means we are a taxpayer. We have to choose here. So regular taxpayer of all company in this world, they basically choose taxpayer option here. So what is the state of registration? We have to select the state of registration. I am giving example of Tamil Nadu. And what is the district from Tamil Nadu? We have to choose. Where the business is located, it will be replicate. So from Tamil Nadu, district wise Chennai, we are registering GST numbers. After legal name of the business. So it's a mandatory. What is legal name? In case of partnership deed, there will send you partnership deed related PAN number. There will apply PAN number for using partnership deed. There will get PAN number. That PAN number only we have to enter. In case of sole trader, single person tax paying, the legal name is different. So same his name, no need to enter here, but same name is also allowed. So anything you can enter as well as its partnership deed. There will mention partnership deed PAN. Otherwise, who's the responsible person? We have to enter that name. The business name is different. The PAN number is must and should we have to enter. What is the PAN number format? The PAN number appearance formatting is First five format letters will be starts. After four digit will be starts. Finally, the single text will be ends. Example CUHPK 1234 Z. We can PAN number is this format we can use. So it will be indicates like this. The pro forma how it will be look like PAN number, that only we have to enter. And I want to give mail ID in case of any GST portal updates and any processing update, OTP generation, all the communication between GST portal to your mail, your personal or your registration number communicating through the mail ID or mobile number and both. That's why we are using mail ID, proper mail ID. We frequently using mail ID and phone number. The phone number is must be what you are entered in Aadhaar. It will be used for further information. So it's called EKYC process. Mobile number it is entering is best. Finally, I have to enter capture what that appearance here. I want to enter above. I'm clicking proceed option. In proceed option, the next page will be look like. Inside the page, it will be going. What is the colors will be up showing us means the green, orange, red. I will enter the text to enterly. What is approved, what is pending, what is rejected. I was entered the PAN number from registration process. You see in all above slide. And in the PAN is already we are using, it will be shows approved, inactive. So inactive registration number, it will be shows green color approved message. So any pending issue, the PAN number is stopped to GST tax officer. It will be shows pending for processing. So finally, what is rejected? In case of any document failed or any fraudulent anything, the tax officer is not satisfied with your GST processing, your registration process will be rejected. That will be shows red letter and texted rejected. This is the basic color format of your PAN number appearance status in portal. So when above this form is filled, the status of PAN appearance like this. Next onwards, I am choosing TRN number. What happened to new registration process? It will be deleted or it will be ended. What happened means new registration process, I am giving email ID and phone number. From that particular email ID and phone number, GST portal will be sends TRN number. The TRN number, it will be appearance in registered mail ID and phone number. I want to copy that TRN number. After, I won't go new registration again. I have a TRN number of processing step. I'm choosing temporary reference number option. So I want to enter temporary reference number from here. Again, the captcha will be appearance. When you are enter TRN number, the captcha numbers format will be appearance. We have to enter as it is, what the captcha will be appearing. Finally, we have to enter proceed. This is the basic two steps of registration process. First, I am registering PAN, mobile number, company name, I'm a taxpayer or what type of GST portal I am using. I have to enter that process. After registered mobile number, mail ID, I will get the TRN number. I want to copy the TRN number and paste from here. I have to enter proper captcha and I want to proceed next step. What is the next step appearance look like? Verification OTP will be sent, same mail ID and user number. I have to enter the 6-digit verification code number. It's a mandatory. That only we can go another step. When will be enter, it will be shows proceed. Next, the process will be finished of OTP verification. The form will be appearance. The GST portal will be sent default form. It look like GST registration number 1. Application for new registration. So when will be created and when will be up expiry date, it will be shows. Within expiry date, we have to fill all the field and we have to save confirmation of within the date of expiry date. The draft will be automatical for every person in registration process. I have to choose action button in pen symbol. What is replicate for pen symbol? The pen symbol is a download symbol or we can enter in online. We can enter at a time and online step-by-step process. What's the required document I was mentioned in above slide. We have to keep it inside and we have to upload step by step. Otherwise, we have download the document papers and we have entered paper orientation, document orientation format. So the process will be ends. When you click the next to what is the next process means, it will be shows like this. There is the each tab appearance here. I want to choose step-by-step process. First, I am choosing business details. What is business details? Legal. What is the legal name of the business? I have to enter here. So, what is the legal name? In case of partnership account, there is a partners of A, B, C. What is the legal name? There can choose ABC company, like fun and entertainment company, like any name of company, there will be choose. That is called legal name. We can enter here. And in case of partnership, there have a partnership PAN number. In case of sole trader, there will give the company PAN number and who's the responsible PAN for registration tax payable concept, that the person PAN number only we have to enter here. So what is trade name? I'm choosing trade name options here. And what type of business is it? I'm told you sole trader, partnership, proprietorship, like what type of business I want to select from that option here only. So what's the place of registration? Also it's asking what is the state and what is the district. I have to enter place and district. This is the basic business details. From here, we have to enter. Each and every form, it will be asked mandatory field. So mandatory fields always star red mark. From here, it will be appearance. We have to must enter mandatory field. Next, what is in that form below? The form is not ended. The form below, it will be asked, you are a casual taxpayer person. What is meant by casual taxpayer person? I am not doing business throughout the financial year start to end. I can't upload every month or quarterly my sales purchase details, and also I am not filing GST or 3B. I don't get any income. That's I am doing casual taxable person dealer. It means it's a seasonable business, seasonable earning income, not for throughout the year. Example, I'm doing full drink shop. My business is pick up on income is earning time is summer. I am doing hot beverages. In case of hot beverages, it will be peaks on winter season. So there is a seasonable base. That type of income will be earns person that can enter from here. We have to click green color activation button here. That will ask another question. It means what is the time to start seasonable business and when it will be ends. I want to give the duration of the business during an income earning period. So what is the turnover details we have to enter. Finally, we can go create challan. So this is casual tax person details. Another we have a tax person is a composition tax person. If you are not casual tax person, the option will be deactivated. If you are a composition tax person, the option will be activated. From that activation screen, it will be shown what type of composition dealer you are. Is a manufacturer or supplier or any other. What kind of composite and taxpayer you are, we have to choose here only. When you are activate the option for composition, the three check buttons will be appearance. Otherwise, it will be look like above deactivated button and the options will not appear. Finally, I was chosen check buttons. I have to give the clarification. I hereby declaration. When it will be declaration, the process will be finished. So that's the difference also of choosing and deactivation of casual taxpayer person and composition taxpayer person. Suddenly, I want to change as a normal tax payable person to composition taxpayer person. When I want to choose the option, it means it will be shows the business detail paper in the footer place. What is the reason of abstraction? It's a mandatory. It's a voluntary details basics. I want to change when it will be changed. So it will be that asking date. Finally, I want to give any note to the GST tax officer. So this is the process. Anytime it can be changed as a composition taxpayer. From here only we have to choose the options. Otherwise, we can go and save and continue this business details of page. Next page. In that business details paper, options will be I was entered. Each and every option I was explained. Next option, who is the proprietor and partners. I told you we have a partners. Where is the place of give the details of each and every persons in our company partners? I have to mention personal details of our partners details. So mandatory field only we can enter, otherwise full details we can enter. Mandatory fields like first name, name of the father's name, his father name, his or her. What is the date of birth of partner? So what is the mobile number and what is the email address? We have to give, I have one question. The mobile number and email ID I was given when the first page of the form, new registration form I was given. Again, why it will be shows like me? It means I am filling partners or promoters. The promoter will be another person or different person. The partners is a number of partners. The partner detail only we are uploading. That's why each and every partners have a specific phone number and mail ID. If you get any GST portal tax officer upload any information, we have to send all the partners of in our company. That's only it will be shows partner's mobile number and mail ID. So when the designation, what is the work of designation name he or her maintaining in that partnership company, and he's a citizen or non-citizen. I have to enter particularly the partner's PAN number. So when the residence address, I have to mention here each and every partner's residence details, the building number, floor number, from which type of premises he have, what is the street address, and which town or town, city, locality is a village, what, from where he is it, in India or out of India. So state-wise, we have to select, district-wise, what's the PIN number, all mandatory field we have to enter each and every person in our promoter or partner's details. Finally, we have to upload the person, what you are uploaded person's picture. So we have to scan the photo. The scan photo clarity must be 100 KB, under 100 KB resolution only. Above 100 KB, the portal will be not accepted the photo copy. So other authentication signs we have required, we will see next step. When we finished all the promoter and partners detail, we will save and continue. Next information, authorized signature. So authorized signature means any one person only take the responsibility of every month or quarterly filing of GSTR1 and GSTR3B, or any responsible person of GSTR portal. Who is the responsible person? Same as well as was the promoter and partners details we are entered. Same details, but it's a authorized signature. Who is the authorized signature getting for the final reporting? That process there I want to give who's the person first name, and it's a mandatory. Middle name, last name is not necessary, but we have to fill or not. So what is the name of his father or her father, and date of birth, mobile number, email ID, as well as same it will be shows before the screen. And also it will be included the gender, is a male authorized person, is a female authorized person, or others we have to enter. So what's the district, is the residence or not, so enter permanent number. All the cases is same as before filled. Address, all things we have to enter as the same way of uploading promoter or partners, as well as authorized signature form also look like that. Little options will be, we have to additions. Next one, what is principal place of business? Principal place means I have business started from this place, this area, this state, and this district. I have to mention the place of the business starts, which building, which floor, and which street, from which state, and which city, and each and every transaction details will be entered from here. So before options tab, who's the authorized person and who's the partners, we are entering their personal details, responsible personal details of signature, responsible personal details of partnership. Now I'm entering when the business place is located, that address details I have to enter here. In case I have a more branches, what is the place of uploading place? This is only when the business will be starts first place. I want to enter principal place of business. But I have another branches, another places of same company. I am maintaining. What is the place means? The next tab it will be shows additional place of business. When it will be appearance, what's the options we have to choose? So single place there will be asked all the details like the principal place, it will be ends, appearing of the page, pin number, latitude, longitude, all the details we have to enter. Next option, nature of persons of premises. What kind of nature of person premises, and what is the document uploaded, what are the proofs of principal place is here, all we have to enter at this place. So premises wise, what is meant by premises? What kind of premises we are providing? Is a warehouse or export place or leasing business? What kind of business is placing of principal business place? We have to select here. Again, and I want to explain another places of business. So another place is, what type of another place is it? It's a own or rental. It is shared with some others partner, some other sharing, participating, or consent based, or any other. There is given some list out. We have to choose any one of these type of place. This is only this type of places only there will selected. There is no another type of business selection of another places here. So any place, any oriented, it's a own or rental, we can choose here. Next, what is goods and services? So any kind of goods and services clarification, or if you want to see the good or service code number, we can search here only. So specifically top 5 service we can appearance here. So we have to give the clarification of goods based or service based information code we can see here. From above, we can see blue color tick mark. It means I was entered all the field of these options. It was saved and continued with another option. It will be shows the business details is uploaded properly. That's why it look like tick mark. The promoters or partners details will be entered properly and must to be entered mandatory field, as well as authorized signatures also it will be uploaded. My question, authorized respectives is not filled in our company, particularly what I was explained in the tab. I don't upload authorized representative person detail. That's why it will be shows disappear options. Is it clear? Now, next step, state bank detail. In case of bank detail, we are not entered in new creation registration place. Within 45 days of registration time, we have to upload bank details. I have 2 or 3 bank account details. What you want to do? I want to mention here, I have 3 banks. Example, I have SBI bank account, I have Indian bank account, I have Andhra bank account. So how many banks you have? You have to enter. After it will be shows entering the details of each bank account. It's look like here. Bank account details. I'm entering example SBI bank account number here. The what type of account is it? It's a savings account, is a current account, or is a fixed account. What type of account I am maintaining, I have to select. After IFSI code, I have to enter. SBI only, SBI bank is not only for one place. It will be appearance in whole of the country. That's why if you are entered IFSI code, it will be helps to get address from the bank where it will be located, the branch. Another is the bank front page of passbook we have to upload here. The uploaded format is must be PDF format or JPG format. The both type of format only the portal will accepted, and the image capacity is not more than 1 MB resolution. Within 1 MB it will be choose. After entering, I have to click save and continue. From that example, I am using only one bank, but I want to enter the 2 or 3 banks. The details will be again shows 2 and 3 times how much the number we are entered in this place. It will be shows that number of times we have to enter bank name, bank number, type of account, IFSC code, and passbook first page of each bank account separately. We have to upload photo, image copy also. So is it clear? Next option, state specific information. So specific information present. Nowadays, no one is uploading specific information. It's related to excise duty, import and export details of a company. If you done any our foreign business details, there will upload professional tax employee code number, excise license number, RC number. So license hold, who's the person, we have to enter all the details here. So this is the import and export details. Basically, within the citizen, there won't uploading this type of information. Next one. After other authentication. Other authentication, if you are a promoter or partner, you have to add your other numbers of each promoter or partners from here. Thus only the green color S mark will be activate. We can click save and continue. Other authentication is the final step. The authentication, when you will be finished, it will be asked the each and every person the eKYC document is necessary. It will be signature oriented. Every promoter and partner we have to done eKYC process your Aadhaar. It will be shows warning message. All the partners is done eKYC of for his Aadhaars or her Aadhaars. The process will be go to next step. The message will be asked you eKYC done or not. It's a warning message. If you are done, it will be goes of next step. Otherwise, it will be stops here. We have to upload eKYC documents only. Next page. From the type of eKYC document, I'm choosing what type of document, eKYC form or voter ID, other enrollment number. Is it in process? There will give you other enrollment number. So if you are uploading voter ID, it will be shown EPIC. I have a passport. I can choose passport option. What type of eKYC document we are providing, we have to select here. That only it will be accessible from next step. So what is the next step? It will be ask concern. All the above information and other numbers mentioned here is take the consent of goods and service tax network. So it will be proper data, proper documentation is going for regular details of proper GST portal details. It will be corrected. When it will be correct, the tick mark will be, we have to choose checkbox. It will be shows language wise Hindi and English format. Automatically, every person choosing English format. So VID option, it will be radiation button, it will be activated. What is VID? Virtual ID. Virtual ID with eKYC document or other number. What we have to upload, we have to enter here. I have a virtual ID. I have to enter the virtual ID number. After, I have to click valid number, is it or not. But I'm choosing from that example, eKYC I was done in Aadhaar number. That's why I'm choosing Aadhaar number. Same concern will be followed by proof of Aadhaar number we are providing. So what is the Aadhaar number? It's a mandatory field. So I am entering Aadhaar number from below the input box. After, I want to click valid Aadhaar number, is it or not. So it will be checked through the UIDI app. The Aadhaar number is registered is the responsible person of same name, the age wise, address, phone number, all thing it will be changed on UIDI government website. The KYC is done or not, it will be shows the status of Aadhaar. After, again it will be sends you verification link. When it will be shows the verification link will be sent you registered mail ID what you are given in new registration process first form of first page or partnership. We are sending each and every partners what the registration number is given, the link will be sent to you. So click the recent verification link. From here, after I'm choosing verification, I was given who is the authorized signature. From that authorized signature, I want to choose here. Why? Because already I was uploaded his details and checked the status, the proper details. It will be uploaded before the slide. Now I want to finally verification process. The registration process will be ends. Before the registration process, we authorized signature is must sign. The authorized, who is the authorized person? From example, I am choosing that person, name of the authorized signature, and where he is from. I am choosing the place, date and column. Was the time and date of the doing this process? It will be shows automatically. So I am using digital signature code or electronic virtual code. What type of signature I have to upload? I want to choose here. So I am giving abbreviation of DSC and EVC. It will be asked you what type of, that is giving two options of uploading signature. Is a digital signature code. I have to enter it in the paper and I have to scan and upload to GST portal. It's also the below 1 KB storage. EVC, electronic verification code. So electronic verification code is also another signature method and verifications method of new registration process. From not only using digital signature code and electronic verification code, from every month GSTR 1 filing and GSTR 3B filing of any tax offices responding queries or quarterly using, any time we are finally the digital signature is must be enter or EVC must be entered. So the process will be continue. I am using digital signature. So I'm using e-signature. So anything what you type of signature we are selecting, from here it will be used proceed and using submit to e-signature slide. So now the new registration process will be finished. Finally, it will be sends you verification OTP number through the mail ID or and mobile number also. We can see anyone what we have in easy access. So in that time, it will be verified OTP. It will be finished. The registration process will be finished. Then what happens? Instantly GST number will be generated to my name or to my company. No, it will be takes time to approving to the tax officer. I was explained and uploaded my side of documents. What's in my side? What is the document I was uploaded each and every step. In my point of view, I am a correct thing I done. So I will give to the tax officer. Give me registration number to our company once. The registration officer, what he do? He will check all the uploaded document is correct. All the process, it will be step by step is properly done. So what is any document missing or any document corrections, anything, he can give the clarity. If you have any doubts and any requirement of document, any process missed, the tax officer must be sends you query. We have to take notice. We can see the notice. Without registration, it will be shows you from your PAN number. So we can see, we can reply the query or notice. Otherwise, the process all is properly good. The tax officer, it will be send you respond. The registered number is giving to you. The filing is properly, new registration will be done properly. So within 45 days, when you registered a new process, this all steps, step by step properly, the documents is correct. Within 45 days, you can get GST number. The username, password, it will be sent you mail ID or mobile number and mobile number. We can change username, password. So GST number is fixed. This is the step-by-step process. I have some doubts. My PAN is not matching Aadhaar. My Aadhaar is not done eKYC. So my bank account is not uploaded within the 45 days. In case of I am forgetting username, in case of I am forgetting password, and I want to download my GST portal registration certificate, what is the process? I want to see any person used my PAN number. My PAN number is misused. How I want to check? How I can see? We will see on next class. From this all slide explains you how the registration process will be required and what's the portal and what is the home page of GST, what we go for new registration step by step process, and what is the form will be appearance, and what is the color of appearance of PAN number status, and we get a temporary number, reference number, how you will go step by step process. Finally, OTP verification confirming after the portal tax officer sends you. So download button, we have new application form, we have to enter step by step of your whole company details. From that form, the first button is business details, legal name, PAN number, what type of business is it, are you from where, and is a casual taxpayer or a composite taxpayer. So what's the reason of changing composite taxpayer at a mid of the regular taxpayer scheme? So next step, promoters or partners. How many members of partner we have to enter each and every partner's names and PAN number. So their mobile number and their address, whole things we have to enter, is a citizen or non-residence of his photo also, each and every person's whole thing we have to upload separately every time, repeating time. Who is the authorized signature for filing GST portal details, Next, what is the place of business started? What is the principal place? Is it called principal place? When it will be located, exactly address, door number, building number, and street number we have to enter clearly. After we have any additional place and what kind of place we are choosing, we have to enter same as well as principal place details. So what is goods and service? The goods and service, any clarification we need about code verification. So any type of service we need to good based or service based, we can choose here. Next, I forget to upload new registration. I don't have the bank account details when I was registering. Within 45 days, I have to upload bank details, one or two bank details or three bank details. We can give the account number, the type of account, and IFSC code. All thing we have to enter here and take the passport size passbook front page upload. We have to upload here and give the save button. So what is the specific information? Import and export dealers only. There can fill. There have a professional tax EC number and professional RC number, excise duty number, excise responsible person number. There have that time only we have to fill this all filled. Next, other authentication. It will be asked you. Other authentication is done by the proprietor or partners. We have to enter each other number properly. So it will be take the concern of each other number is valid or not in UDI app of government. You have to enter and validate it. It will be checks you UDI app of other. So who is the responsible person? It will be takes the name and place, date, what's the time, date and time of uploading the new registration process, that will be automatically appearance. We have to take the signature. The signature will be three types. We can take a digital signature, electronic signature, and electronic verification code also. These three types of process, you can choose any one. Finally, we will get OTP of final recognition. When the OTP will be done, the tax officer will be give the confirmation. The process will be done. Your registration process, give the registered number, GST number. So this is the process of doing GST new registration person. Thank you.